Hey guys, quick tip today about helping out around the house. So I am putting a book together and surveyed about 500 wives, asking them, what helps them be more in the mood to be intimate with their husbands. And so one of the things that was surprising was that when a husband offers to help out around the house, sometimes that was actually frustrating for the wives, irritating even. And I was surprised by that, and because I thought that was something that wives wanted, was more help around the house from their husbands. What I came to understand though was it was really the attitude that was the issue. So if you are approaching taking care of kids or cooking or cleaning around the house, if you're approaching that from a helping out stance, what that means really is that you consider all of that to be your wife's job. That's her job, it's not really your job. So if you come in and do anything, that's like a bonus, right? They should be overjoyed about that. Your wife should be hugging you and just willing to have sex with you and do anything you want because you helped her out. Um, so what women are really wanting from us is to be a partner in those things. To be a partner in wanting the house to look reasonably clean. Yeah, be a partner in raising happy, well-adjusted children. Um, so when you're saying that I'm just going to help out, it's implying that it's not really your responsibility, your job. Okay, so just to, keep that in mind. Approach it as a partnership, that you want the house to be a place that's calm, where in my beliefs the spirit of God can be. You want your kids to grow up happy, and you want to be involved in that. All right, so just keep that in mind, guys. It's not helping out, it's being a partner in those things.